Hi, it's Kristen from Advantage Advocacy. Today on this video blog, we're going to discuss electronics. Now, I think technology is great from an advocacy perspective. I really see how technology can open doors for engagement within the classroom. It can help with promoting work output. It can decrease frustration. There's a lot of positivity that can come out with effectively using technology. But there can be a challenge. With technology deemed as essential by a psychologist or another professional who's assessed a child, it can be brought into the classroom to help with work output and support the areas of needs. But one thing that can be taken for granted by everyone involved, including the child, is understanding and effectively using that technology to achieve the goal that is set out for it. And one of those goals can be how to effectively use something like a tablet that's used in the classroom. Now, a lot of schools like to use the Chromebook. And what I get kind of pulled and pushed against is that kids are like, well, I know how to use it. I don't need somebody to teach me how to use it. I have an iPad at home, or I have a tablet at home. I know how to do this. Yes, but using technology is not, for school purposes and learning purposes, does deviate slightly from how it's been used at home, unless it's used in the same environment for the same purposes and same reason. And that goes into consistency and reinforcement. So one of the things from a parental advocacy perspective that we need to do for technology is to really make sure that the child/student is using it to meet the objective. Now that requires that we need to make sure that they've been trained on it, effectively. They know how to use the apps, what those apps are, or software is used, and the goal for that. And then, once it's been taught, to see if they can replicate that goal. Because sometimes they'll say, yes, I got it. And they really, truly do. But then, a week later, that training and that knowledge is gone. So we really need to make sure from a parental advocacy perspective, and one really good thing would be for the school is that ask, hey, is there any instructions that are, associated with this that I can use from home? What apps are you using? Can I bring this technology home, or do I have something similar, that I can access through the school board website? These are avenues that you can talk to the school about, that I really encourage you to do so, because it will help with engagement, but it will also help with those sticky situations at 8 o'clock at night when they don't remember how to open that software, or they don't really remember the expectations, and you're, from a parent perspective, trying to figure out Google Drive in 15 minutes. So there's little things like this that happens, but if we can guard against them, technology is amazing. I've seen amazing things. I mean, it's far better than what we had when we were kids. Remember those really big computers where we type in code and then the turtle would move? Yeah. So, let's talk about that. I would encourage you from a parental advocacy perspective to open dialogue with the school and talk about technology and how you can reinforce those expectations and to help the child achieve their best in school. Like, and then they'll be like,